All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Sunday. We are looking at XRP above $2 for the first time since 2018. If you understand the magnitude of this, I'm sure you guys know how big of a deal this really is. Remember that key resistance that we've been talking about, the $1.91 key resistance, which was the previous cycle's high. We broke out of it just today. What a great way to start off the month of December, and let the fireworks begin, let the fun begin. Not a lot of people saw this coming, but here we are. The landscape is shifting. This is something we were anticipating for a few days, and like I said, a lot of haters are going to be speechless at this move because we're looking at XRP's price sitting back above $2. If anyone told you on December 1st XRP would be sitting at $2, I'm sure most of the people would have laughed, right? And here we are, XRP's making history. You don't understand how big of a deal this really is. I'm going to share the charts. Shout out to the XRP community who have been accumulating XRP while there was so much, uncertainty and FUD. You guys truly, truly deserve this move. But if you're looking across the board, you are seeing some coins, holding on to their momentum, double-digit gains again for Algorand. EOS, HBAR, Shiba Inu is making some moves. Pepe, you guys get the idea. But looking at XRP, guys, back above $2 to be exact, $2.05, up 7.2% in Bitcoin compared with a market cap at $116.4 billion. So it has been able to reclaim back above the fourth spot, and it has taken over Solana's level. I'm a huge Solana, supporter, as you guys know, but XRP was coming for that spot, especially with the momentum that XRP gained. Remember, it never really had, a proper bull market after the 2018 top. It never did after that because, of course, the SEC lawsuit came out, and the overall interest just was not there for XRP. And this time around, that has completely changed. You're seeing mega huge amounts of interest coming in. People that never even looked at XRP throughout the last 12 months or even in the last cycle, are paying attention to XRP because, the clarity that's coming towards, XRP. Absolutely insane. The 24-hour trading volume is at about $13.2 billion. Amazing stuff. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look at this, guys. The development timeline, where are, we now? And this was, look at this. 2025 will be the year that world fully wakes up and begins actively using the internet financial system. It was always 2025, says Smoke. Insane. 2025 is the year of blockchain adoption. It's the year of ETF for multiple different assets. We already have a crypto ETF, which of course is for Ethereum and Bitcoin. But I think this is going to be a complete landslide shift for all the other digital assets. And I think like the US based companies like Ripple could really thrive because once you see the potential of what these projects are trying to do, and once you really kind of take a look at what Ripple has actually done over the course of the last 4 to 5 years, will really make you understand how big of a market it could potentially take when it comes to the US as well. Because before, specifically in Canada as well, Canada and the US, all these big banks or any of these companies that are based within these, North America, they were hesitant to, work with, some of these crypto companies because of the fact that, of course, non-regulated. But now as regulation is coming towards crypto at a fast rate, I think this is going to push some of these projects to, levels that not a lot of people are anticipating. But man, today is an XRP day. You guys can really see this for yourself. The dominance, of course, is continuing to pull down. We know this, not a big surprise to us. If you're looking at Bitcoin, though, Bitcoin did see a little bit of a bounce. And again, once again, another confirmation about an altcoin season. Bitcoin went up to the likes of 97,500. Bitcoin dominance actually went down. So again, once again, a big confirmation that, hold on, altcoin season could actually be starting. And here we are seeing a lot of coins up. You're seeing meme coins picking up traction yet again. Pepe, Bread, Shiba Inu are up. So that's good for, my Pepe family. Shout out to you guys, and of course Shiba Inu family as well. But yeah, let's take a look at what XRP has been able to do, guys, because this right here is what a lot of people did not even see happening. I repeat, not a lot of people saw this happening. And your boy Crypto ZX, once we broke out of that dollar price point, believe it or not, once we broke out of that dollar psychological price point, I said, XRP's price is heading towards. I literally predicted the $1.91 key resistance, and here we are. We have made history, and not only have we made history, we have retested the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level after finally breaking out here. Yesterday, I showed you guys the significance of that, close above here. You can see 3 different retests. Fourth time was a charm. We have retested it for the first time, and now you want to see the daily candle closing in here. If the daily candle even closes in the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, I think this is going to be a massive, massive upcoming week for XRP. I think $2.50 is not an unrealistic thing to be looking out for. I mentioned this to you guys before, because let me take you guys down memory lane. Look at this. Look what happened last time. So after we broke out of that $1.91 resistance, again, that time it was an all-time high. We saw a wick all the way up to the $2.48. So pretty much XRP could be making its way up to that level quite fast if it's able to close into the 38.2 fib zone. That's this right here. If it's able to close here where we got retested but never really managed to close above here, if we're able to close above here, I do believe that, XRP could be making its way up to that $2.46. And, shout out to anyone that's been picking up XRP from, of course, the 2017 levels, early 2016, and of course, the ones that accumulated during this massive, massive downward trend. Look at this, guys. A huge consolidation phase. Anyone that picked it up around there, guys, you guys truly, and I repeat, you guys truly deserve this move. The XRP community is massive. I've shared this with you guys from the beginning. XRP community really shows the power of, the community itself. Even though, you were seeing the SEC lawsuit going on, they were there to support their project. They were accumulating while no one was paying attention. And here we are. XRP is making history, and it's making history quite fast. Obviously, there's rumor flying around that, on December 2nd, there's going to be that Ripple lawsuit coming to an end. That's completely different. It's not the SEC and Ripple lawsuit. It's a completely different lawsuit that they're talking about. But I think, the major lawsuit that has been at a focal point of discussion when it comes to, XRP, I think that's coming to an end sooner than a lot of people think. The 60-minute interview, I think, goes live very soon, so we're going to see what happens then. But, you should be excited that XRP broke out before that, because, of course, sell that news event, a lot of people were anticipating that, and you did see the bulls push the price back above that key resistance for the first time since 2018. A historic date, and people don't understand how big of a deal this really is, and now we are entering the 23.6. If that is able to break out, I think, a $2.50 XRP price could be coming very, very quick. I don't expect that to take way too long, but can we really appreciate that, the price is back above $2? Shout out to my OGs that have been here from the beginning. I'm sure anyone that entered the market after 2018 did not really relive when XRP was at these levels. I saw XRP hitting an all-time high from its complete lows when it was worth pennies, and here we are reliving that again. No one deserves this more than the XRP community. Love each and every one of you guys. I think XRP is about to literally shock the world in the next coming hours, because there's no resistance pretty much till the $2.50. Let's see what happens. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.